Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Alfia's World. So remember the other day I was talking to you guys about my fiance finishing school and we having something for him. So today, his mom and his brother and my sister are flying in from New Jersey to surprise him. Yes, guys, so he has no idea. He went to work, and I think he has to do something, and I was like, okay, so what's your day gonna be like? And he's like, oh, I gotta do this, and this. And I'm like, okay. But then he's like, oh, I gotta come back and get you. And I'm like, get me? So I'm like, they're supposed to be here soon. So they landed about 9 o'clock. And I'm like, okay, you have to come pick me up for 10 o'clock? Now, y'all know Atlanta traffic. They might get here at that time. So I'm trying to stall him. So right now, what we were about to go do, I already called my sister. She's in the midst of coming, and she's like, Alfie, you have time. So I said, okay, good. Because I don't want them to come, and he's here. And, you know, I wanted him to come a little later. Not so early. But, you guys gotta watch the video all the way through to see how his reaction is. You guys think he's gonna cry? You guys gonna think he's gonna be happy? You guys think he's gonna be sad? Think he's gonna be mad? Because I've been holding this, guys, for months. I've been holding on to this. I haven't been telling him. Whenever the flights were booked, I didn't tell him. So I'm super excited. I am very proud of him. He deserves this and more. But I just want to tell you guys that he's going to get a surprise today. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, guys, and watch this whole video until you see his reaction and let me know how you guys think about my video. So like, comment, subscribe, guys. We're going to see how he reacts to the surprise. By the way, guys, he hasn't seen his mom in about a year and a half. So he's been down here about 2 years. So he has not seen his mom since he's been here, so about 2 years. So yeah, he's very close to his mom, tight knit, close to his mom, and I know this is gonna mean the world to him, and I know that this is special to him because he treats me, you know, like his mom, and we like this. So so that says a lot about him as a person. So yeah, guys, we're gonna see what happens. Also, guys, I took my hairnet out. Also, guys, so Demir doesn't know either. Demir doesn't know because I didn't want to tell Demir, because if Demir knows, everybody knows. So I'm like, I can't tell him. So nobody, not even, probably Gabriel knows because he hear me talking about it. He's right here. But nobody in the house knows except for me. Yeah, nobody. My mom, she almost spilled the tea, and I was like, Mom. But other than that, nobody knows but me. So we're gonna see how this go. All right, fingers crossed. They're here. Hello. Family, finally here. Hey guys, what's up? So I'm out with my sister. We're about to get bubble tea. Alex is at work, so you know how that go. We are excited. She's excited. We're excited. So we're about to go to Booba Tea. We're about to go get some Booba tea. Yeah. So they have pretty much have like, so this looks like we're gonna be here. So the menu. So we're gonna get something. See what I'm gonna get. What am I gonna get? I don't know what I'm gonna get. We'll see. This is the menu, guys. They have coffee, pastries, special drinks, mocha blast, flavored tea, Yep. They're making it. I got a lychee with strawberry or mango, fresh mango fruit with boba. Yeah. You'll see it, guys. It looks like little calamari. I know, little caviars. That's what it looks like. That's what they have so far. What do we get, sister?
A little passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
A lychee.
Lychee.
A custom passion fruit lemonade for the baby.
All right, for
and
Demir.
a Thai tea.
Thai tea. There we go from the booba. Now we're going to unload these groceries.
Right.
Hey. Surprise. Come on.
Big fat boy, where you at? Mommy!
All right, let me have this. You take this.
I
Here
think,
you go. Here you go. You coming with me, graduate?
Oh, I got you.
Yes.
Oh, all right.
This your person right here? What's this here? Just come on.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got you. Fix your mask. Take off your mask real quick. Yes. All right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so we are here. We're at a barbecue for Alex's graduation. I was not able to go to his graduation, guys, because there was just so much going on. I had to go get Samir a haircut, and then I had other things that I had to do, and I didn't know Alex was supposed to be there so early, so I ended up not going. But God knows, guys, I cried because I am so proud of my fiance, of what he's accomplished. We've been through so much. You guys don't understand how much we've been through in the past year. So I'm just so happy and proud of him. I know that this is not it. We still have so much more to accomplish. This is only the surface. So we're gonna make, I think I seasoned up some fish. I make some jerk chicken, and I think we have curry goat, white rice, and salad. So it's gonna be a good day, and we're probably gonna get into this pool. You see Demir? So yeah, guys, so we're gonna see what happens. Alex is not here yet. He should be here soon. But yeah, stay tuned.
Hey, Junior. No, this is a video. Woo! We at the poolio.
This is the first time I actually seen the car.
He's like, y'all just threw me in there in the poolio.
What is all this water?
All right, Papa.
I'm not taking a
Well,
shower.
Suka.
Right at home in your hand.
Got sis over there trying to die while nobody knows.
Watch my sister. She out poor. What are you making? Punch? It's a video. It's for YouTube. She already in YouTube. Yeah. So she making a punch with this Welch's grape. What else? Sprite. You gonna put sherbet in there? Sherbet. And mix. And that is IT. It.
This is a virgin drunk punch.
A virgin drunk punch. Up on Mavi. Coming with the rice.
Thank you so much. Likewise. Thank you. Likewise.
Family time. Alex finally made it. He's with the baby. I don't know if y'all can see him. He's right in the middle.
Tell your sister I said bye.
Okay, I will. Thank you, ma'am. Have a good day.
Like all them roll as a crew. You know? Oh my God.
Don't worry, I'll go get it for you. Gotta go drive in the woods.
Put it over there.
My face still works.
Hey guys, what's up, what's up, what's up? So right now, today is Saturday, so my sister and I are having a sister day, so we're at Atlanta Bread. So we're gonna go have some pastries and some coffee. I already ate breakfast, so it's just gonna be her and I, and she's gonna eat probably more of a meal than I am, but I'll bring you guys inside. That's what it looks like. They are social distancing the whole bit, so I'm going inside and show you guys the menu. How y'all doing? Hope everybody's blessed and safe. Yeah, show you guys the menu.
Is that all you have? Can I do it on the milk, please? And then to eat, I would like to have a
So this is my lunch. I got a Caesar salad, a little piece of bread and sauce, and then I got something to drink. And then my sister, she's halfway eating her food already because she had to wait for mine. She got a chai latte and egg and sausage with a pastry because she didn't eat. So I'm gonna eat this and we're gonna chat it up. So our day is still in the process. Yes. So we decided to have a drink, guys. We are at Gambino's Mexican Grill. About to go have a drink. Cause Sissy's gonna have watch out. No respect for nobody. Watch it. Hello, this is YouTube. Alright guys, we're going inside to see what they got. Something on my sister. So we're at Gambino. We're just gonna get drinks. Thank you. We're just gonna get drinks because we just ate. We just ate. So And I got some chips, some salsa. I'm gonna order some food. How you guys doing? The lighting gonna be a little off, guys. I'm sorry. I don't have my ring light with me. I gotta get one of those. So we're gonna order some drinks. She wanna order shots. Shots. She wanna order shots. Yeah, I'm not about to order shots. I still got a baby at home.
I would love. We're doing.
It's gonna be on my face by the time I leave this restaurant, eh?
No,
She ordered me
what shall we do
Patron.
it?
What is it? Patron with what? Ice?
Chilled shots of Patron with lemon, with lime, salt, rims, of course.
I'm gonna drink the water.
There's only one way to do it. You gotta do it.
See how this goes. Mango Patron?
Frozen on the rock. You don't want
Frozen.
brain? You want brain free?
Yeah.
Okay.
Actually, no, on the rocks.
Like sugar or salt in the middle?
Sugar.
Thanks a lot.
Thank
You
you.
don't want sugar. You don't want salt again. Salt is
See,
a
I'm
shot.
not an alcoholic. Well, I'm not saying you are.
It's okay. I'm not an alcoholic. It's okay.
Ooh,
Yeah, better put the free
shot.
Wait, I'll do it, then I'll when I do it, I'll
Send it to me.
1, 2, 3. Bottoms up.
Lord of mercy. How it's gonna go now? Guys, I haven't drunk in so long. Ooh, pray for me.
Wait. Okay, good.
Finish. Bring on the carbs.
Bring on the car. Where's my
Get some chips and dip.
drinks for me?
Here's my drinks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, this is it.
No, just drinks for now.
Thank
Thank you. Yes. So I got my drink. Yes. And Drea got hers. Yep, she got her martini. I got mine. Chips and salsa. I'm about to just talk.
Get my phone. This has to be full now.
They missed no alcohol.
The way I like it.
Wow. It's good though. Drunk yet? We just came back home, guys. We're here from having a little drink and our sister time. So we're about to go have family time again. Be back. Like, hello guys, so right now we're having dinner. We went everywhere. We went to Steakhouse, we went to Longhorn, we went to Juicy Crab, and the wait is ridiculous. So we are here at Red Lobster. Haven't been to Red Lobster in so long. Actually, I went to Red Lobster with my mom the other night just for a Saturday night dinner. But their food was good, I ain't gonna lie, where I went. This is a different location. So right now, this is the last night of Alex's mom at the house, because she's leaving in the morning. So we're like, we need some time for ourselves, because we never get time for us. It's always kids. So I decided, let's just go and have some dinner. So we just ordered our drinks. I ordered a margarita and he ordered a Corona. So we're gonna order some food. I don't know what I'm gonna eat. I think I'll get maybe I'll get a lobster. I don't know, something. But thank you guys for sticking around the vlog and watching. Hope you guys got to this part of the vlog, because it's almost the end of the vlog. because once he goes home and stuff like that, I mean his mom goes home, and that's it. So we're gonna come back to you guys when we get our drinks. So like, comment, subscribe, and share, guys. If you haven't turned on your notification bell, please do so. So whenever I drop a video, you're notified of that. So we ordered our drinks, but I didn't like my drink. So it was way too much sour me because I had the same exact drink today. It was passion margarita, and it had so much sour mix. So I said, you won't take it back and I'll get it, but mama or something else. So we also ordered our food. Alex ordered the ultimate servitor, and I ordered some salmon and lobster and shrimp thing. Yeah, with some green beans and potatoes. And we got our the lobster is famous for their biscuits. So we got some biscuits, but I'm gonna turn it over to Javi and ask him, like, how does he feel? So how do you feel that you finished school?
Glad I'm done. Happy I'm done. Overwhelmed that I'm done. Glad to be done. Did I say that before?
Yes, babe.
But no, for real. I'm happy. But it was a big stride. But you were there to guide me.
Thank you, babe. Appreciate it.
But for real, it was hard though. But I'm glad I did it.
Yeah, we might do a video on, us going through the process of COVID and school and, our ups and downs, our flaws, everything. Yeah. But until then, we gonna eat. So when we get our food, that's the biscuits. Yeah, we'll show you guys. So this is our food, guys. Food is here. It looks pretty good. I ain't gonna front. They got the garlic on there. They got sour cream, potato. Hubby got scallops and bacon, some wild rice, his lobster that they're gonna get him melted butter, some green beans, and steak. You good? Feel good? So we're gonna eat, guys. It's been a long day. See how, the last time I came to Red Lobster before my mom for just a regular dinner. Yeah, it was a while ago, but I think they updated their menu or whatever, their taste. So we see what happened. Okay, so dinner is done. We had a good time. The flavors at the Red Lobsters down south, they kind of good. I ain't gonna lie. Last time I had Red Lobster, it was like they threw everything on a plate with no salt. So this time around, it was pretty good. The flavors were there. The drink, I don't know about them, but the food was good. So we're gonna.
Food was right.
Yeah. So we're gonna close out, and thank you guys for watching the video. Those who did, those didn't, it's okay too. But till next time. As I said, I'm very proud of my fiance. He did his thing. He went to school during the pandemic and all that other good stuff. So, yeah, you'll see more of us in another vlog. So, okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!